How to delete your Trust Wallet account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Trust Wallet. Enter your login credential and then log into your specific account. Once you've been logged in, click on this icon at the top of the screen and then tap on this three dot right beside Main Wallet that you want to delete. Once you're in this page, at the top right, you can see this icon of Trash. Click on it. It says, "Are you sure you would like to delete this wallet?" Tap on Delete. Now you can click on Proceed Anyway at the bottom of the screen. Enter the passcode, and there you can see your account has been deleted. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.